Hey guys, welcome to the Paper Airplane School at Morgan Dagan in Decatur, Georgia. I'm going to teach you how to make a Bulldog paper airplane. Okay, first you get one corner of the paper and fold it to the side, leaving a little bit of space at the bottom and smooth it out. Then you get the other corner, bring it to the bottom and leave a little bit of space and smooth it out. Then open it. Get a corner and fold it over a crease and smooth it out a little bit. Then do the same on the other side, fold it, put it on a crease and smooth it out. You want to leave a little mouth at the top. Then you'll fold the mouth all the way down to the bottom and smooth it out. Then fold the paper back up and leave maybe an inch above the fold and smooth it out. Fold the side to start making your wing and line it up nice and easy with the mouth. Then you want to fold it again on the other side and line it up nice and easy with the mouth. Get the leftover parts and fold it and line it up nice and easy with the mouth. Flip over the paper airplane and you'll see a line on the back. Fold the mouth to that line and smooth it out. Flip over the airplane and fold the side to the other side and use your finger strength to do that and smooth it out. Okay, now fold the wing to the bottom of the airplane and smooth it out and do the same to the other side. Use your finger strength to smooth out all the creases. Now you have a Bulldog paper airplane.